Hey everyone, Keith Lee from AssociatesMind.com here. Earlier this month, in the case of United States v. Jones, the Supreme Court released a decision answering this question. Does the installation of a GPS device on a suspect's car to record the public places the car travels a Fourth Amendment search or seizure? And in a unanimous decision, the court held that, indeed, the installation of a GPS device constitutes a search under the Fourth Amendment. 9-0. Eat it, government. Slam dunk for privacy, right? Not exactly. As Justice Scalia pointed out, the government physically occupied private property for the purpose of obtaining information. We have no doubt that such a physical intrusion would have been considered a search within the meaning of the Fourth Amendment when it was adopted. The conservatives on the court were concerned about the physical occupation of space that installation of a GPS tracking device requires. They were not concerned about the monitoring of someone in public. That's because there is a long series of cases that have routinely held that a person has no reasonable expectation of privacy in public at all. This includes your garbage, your physical appearance, odors emanating from your car or luggage, and most importantly, what can be observed by the naked eye in public airspace. Now, why does this matter? Drones. No, the other kind. They've become a regular fixture on the news, providing grainy video of roving jeeps in some remote desert on the other side of the world that, honestly, you don't really care about. But just like a lot of other military technology, it eventually finds its way back into domestic government and civilian use. In clearing the way, the FAA has recently relaxed its restrictions on drone use over the United States. So what does that mean? That in the coming years, drone use is only going to become more frequent as they become cheaper. Drones are a much more economical choice than a helicopter for a police department. Less fuel, no pilot, small, and long flight times. So who needs a GPS device when you can just park a drone over someone's house and follow them? With a drone, there's no longer a physical occupation of the person's property, and police can observe someone from public airspace as long as they want. So while Jones might be limiting at the moment, the decision is realistically already trailing behind the leading edge of technology. And with the current weak privacy laws in place in the United States, it's not a matter of if drones are used to track suspects, but a matter of when. So while privacy advocates may have won a small battle with Jones, they're still slowly losing the war. For links to all the source material in this episode, check out the show notes on AssociatesMind.com. This is Keith Lee, and I'll catch you next time.